multiplying two nearby numbers. This is my favorite. So if you have to multiply, let's say a 107 and a 108, we need to take a base. Think of a helpful base such as 100 here. 100 becomes my base, okay, and draw a dotted vertical line. On the right of the line, the number of digits would be the same as the number of zeros in my base, okay. So 100 is my base. On the right, you have two digits coming, okay. So now take the difference between each number and the base. It's 107, so 7, and 108, the difference is 8 again. So 7 into 8 comes on the right, and here choose any of these two numbers. On the left, choose 107, let's say, and from the other number subtract the base. 108 minus 100, that's 8. Add these two numbers. If I had taken 108 here, it would have been 108 plus 107 minus 100, you get 7. You'll always get the same answer. Okay, so on the right side I have 56. On the left side I have 115. That means the value of this product is 11556. Let's do it quickly this time. The base is 100 again. On the right side it would be 9 and 4. The right side it would be 36. On the left side it would be 109 plus 4, 113. The value is 11336. 112 into 109, it would be 12 into 9, 108. But remember, I can have only two digits here, 08. So one carry comes here. 112 plus 9 is 121, and one carry makes it 12208. 14 into 18, now in this case the base is going to be 10. And therefore on the right side I can have only one digit. 4 into 8 is 32, that means 2 comes here and 3 comes here as carry. And 14 plus 8 or 18 plus 4 is 22, plus 3 carry becomes 25. That means 14 into 18 is 252 very quickly. 106 square is 36 coming here. So see, this method can be used for finding out the squares very quickly. That means 106 into 106. On the right side comes 6 into 6, 36. On the left side it would be 106 plus 6, 11236. So see, 106 square is 11236. 18 square, you would have 8 square, 64 here. So 4 comes here, only one digit can come here because the base is 10. 6 comes here, and on the right side it would be 18 plus 8, 26. 26 plus 6 carry becomes 32. So 18 square is 324. 103 into 109, let's start doing it mentally. 103 plus 9, 112, and 3 into 9, 27. The value is 11227. 102 into 103, it would be 10506. 108 square, 11664. How am I doing so quickly? 8 square, 64 comes here. 108 plus 8, 116 comes here. 19 into 17, on the right side it would be 9 into 7, 63. 3, 6 carry. 19 plus 7 is 26. 26 plus 6 carry is 32. So it's 323. 17 square. 17 square means 7 square, 9 comes here. You must remember, ideally until 30, I would say that people preparing for competitive exams should remember these values. Anyway, 7 square is 9, so 4 carry. 17 plus 7, 24, plus 4 carry becomes 28. So 17 square is 289. 119 square, try doing it in your head. 19 square would be 361, so 61 comes at the end, and 119 plus 19 would be 138. 138, the carry was 3, becomes 141, at the end was 61. So you have 14161 as 14161. It's easier to do it than to write sometimes. 119 square, 138, and then 361. So 361, 138 becomes 141 out of 3 carry, and 61 comes at the end. Let's try one more. If it's something like 106 square, very quickly, 11236 can be very, very fast. Now what if that first number here is not 1? It's not, the base is not 100 or 10, the base is 200 in this case. So there's a slight difference here. The same, everything remains the same. I would say 203 plus 7 coming here. On the right side I have 3 into 7. The only difference is that if the base is 200 and not 100, I need to multiply this part by 2. If the base were 300, I would have multiplied by 3. So 203 plus 7 is 210, into 2 is 420. 42021 is the value of this product. Let's try this one. 308 plus 4 is 312, into 3 this time would be 936 coming here, and 8 4s are 32 here. That's the value. 401 square, so 401 plus 1 is 402. Multiply 402 with 4, it would be 1608, and 1 square is 1, but we need 2 digits here, so it becomes 01. 401 square is 160801. 33 square, 33 plus 3 would be 36. 36 into 3 would be 108. On the right side, on the left side, I'm sorry, the right side 3 square is 9. So 33 square is 1089. 28 square, on the right side it would be 64, so 4 and 6 carry. On the left side it is 28 plus 8, 36, into 2, 72. 72 plus 6 carry makes it 78. So the value is 784. 708 square. Try doing it in your head. Try pausing this video and try doing it in your head. 708 plus 8 is 716. Now 716 into 7. So see, mental calculations are a lot about dividing your mind into two parts. One part of your mind must remember what you have calculated, and the other part must calculate. So 70 plus 8 is 716. 716 into 7. So let's multiply 700 by 7. That's 4900. Remember 4900? And then 16 into 7 is 112. 4900 plus 112, that means 5012, and on the right side you have 64. So 5012 and 64. So the value of 708 square would be 501264. This is more out of interest. You practically, if you get such a number on your test, you may just use a method that is in your reflexes. You need not apply these shortcuts all the time. Up to you. Okay, the other case where the numbers are not more than the base, they are a bit less than the base. So 97 into 98. If I take 90 as base, I would have to multiply by 9, which would be cumbersome. So I take the base as 100. However, now see, the numbers would be negative. 97 is one number, the other number is smaller. 98 minus 100 would give me minus 2, not plus 2. So this comes here. On the right side, it would be minus 2 into minus 3. Okay, so it becomes 95. 2 zeros here, so two numbers need to come on the right side. It's 9506. 194 into 199, it's 194 minus 1, it's 193, and I need to multiply this by 2 because of course I'm taking the base as 200. On the right side it would be minus 6 into minus 1. So 2 into 193. How do we do this quickly? So see, I know 193 is 7 less than 200, so its double would be 14 less than 400. 14 less than 400 would be 386. That's on the left side. And on the right side we have 6, so we write it as 06 because we have two zeros here. 299 square, so let's try doing it mentally. 299 minus 1 is 298 into 3 would mean 894. How I did it quickly is 298 is 2 less than 300, so its triple would be 6 less than 900. So that's 894. I get 89401 as the value of 299 square. 39 square, so 39 means 40 base, 39 minus 1 is 38 into 4. How to multiply quickly by 4? Double it twice. So 38 into 4, double of 38 is 76, double of 76 is 152. 152 comes on the left side. On the right side I have minus 1 square, which is 1. So the value of 39 square would be 1521. 29 into 28. So my base is 30. 29 minus 2 would be 27. 27 into 3 would be 81. 81 is what comes on the left. On the right I have minus 1 into minus 2, which is 2. So the value of 29 into 28 is going to be 812. 498 square, try doing it quickly. 498 minus 2, 496 into 5 would be 2480. How I did it quickly is 496 is 4 less than 500. So its 5 times would be 20 less than 2500. So that's 2480, and then minus 2 square is 04. So 498 square is 248004. And now this is a complicated one. I will explain how to handle these where one number is below the base, the other is above the base. So the base is 100. We can do 99 plus 3, or we can do 103 minus 1. For the left side it remains 102 either way. On the right side you have minus 1 into positive 3. So on the right side you have 102. I'm sorry, one side you have 102, on the right side you have minus 3. So it's 10200 minus 3 turns out to be 10197. So the value of this is 102 and then 00 because the base is 100, it has two zeros here. So it's 10200 minus 3 turns out to be this much. Look at this one. 194 plus 4 is 198 into 2 would be 396. So 194 plus 4, base is 200, so into 2. The right side I have minus 6 into positive 4. 198 into 2 is 396. And then I have minus 24 here, so it would be 39576. 39600 minus 24. 29 into 32, so 3 into 29 plus 2, that is 31. And then you have minus 1 into positive 2, minus 2 here, that is 930 minus 2, that would be 928. 48 into 53, so 50 base. 48 plus 3 is 51. 51 into 5 would be 255. On the right side you have minus 2 into positive 3, that is minus 6. So 2550 minus 6, that is 2544. 498 into 506, the sum would be 504. 504 into 5 would be 2520. On the right side you have minus 12, so 2520 minus 12, that means 25200 minus 12, 25188. That's the value. Thanks for watching.